Oh, here we go. Is that it? Was I muted? Have I been muted the whole time? Don't let me know I was muted the whole time. That would be, like, weird. That would not be good if I was muted the whole time. Oh, wow. Awesome. Ah. Thanks, guys. You're just enjoying the music? Alright, alright. That's all good. That's all good. So my whole rant at the beginning about not being here just went completely... Thought the music was going on too long. Alright, alright. Yo, guys, what's up? Welcome to Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. Thank you for being here. Today we're going to be looking at, will the rally continue? I was preparing the charts being silent. All right. Nah, I usually just do the charts when we're live. So yeah, I was muted. Wow. I did say hi to everyone, by the way, as you came in and say hi. I guess I was just muted and you guys can hear me. So bring facts. What's up, dude? Ryan, yo, pump it. I can't pump it. Scrog. What's up, dude? And then the mic check and then everything else. So good. Yeah. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you all for being here. It is awesome to be here with y'all. So let's keep rolling here. Let's see what's going on and what we can do here, right? All right, so Ethereum 1 hour bearish divergence. Let's go back from the top, I guess. Total market cap on the daily bearish divergence. All right, I'm gonna put a lot of weight on it because we're starting to develop it. Like I said, it is only the third bar of positive momentum that we're making. Plus, market conditions are extremely bullish. So, bearish divergence. Potential for action to the downside. If we do go down, 20 moving average is gonna be able to catch us. Right, we're right here at 1.15 or so. 1.15 trillion. And if we do break below there, we're going to have support there at 1.03. But I do believe we might be trying to go higher. And if we do go higher, we're looking at somewhere around here, 1.56 and then 1.75 ultimately. By the time we get there, Bitcoin should be maybe getting around the 45 to 50K or so. Now, what I'm looking at and seeing the bearishness, expecting to see some movement down. Not sure it's going to be super strong though. Because overall market conditions are bullish, right? Better than they've been in the past year or so. So looking okay. Neutral, sorry, bought at 64.98. No bearish divergence here, I think, on the MACD. Or do we have it? I think we had it. Yeah. I missed this one on the first run through, I guess. From then on, we just moved on to the Bitcoin, right? Again, none of the lines have changed except the one I added here when we were live on that used to match the previous low or previous zero line that we had on some fibs. Bitcoin also has bearish divergence on the daily, right? We had the potential for a movement down. If we do move down, resistance is going to be here at 29.108 or so, 29.179. And if you remember last time I was here, we were talking about we're getting this drop, and I said Bitcoin's in this large range. If we don't break above 25,000. We're not gonna see anything bullish. Also, we don't drop below 15,000. We're not gonna see anything bearish, right? So we broke that 25, right? We broke 25,000 after we had a failed attempt here. And once we broke it, it was just the 28,000 mark or so, right? We also have resistance here, and it's right here at 28,377. Hit it a couple times. Hit rejection here of even the next zone, 29,179, and then finally getting that break and hitting that 30,000. So right now, next target's going to be around 33,000. All right, 33,090 and then 33,300, right? If Bitcoin keeps on moving higher, then we move on to the 4 hour. I don't think we had a lot going on here, maybe. Bearish divergence, right? This is from the 1 hour because the 4 hour didn't have anything. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Bearish divergence strong, potential fraction downside, starting to get that moving down. Strong bullish divergence, potential fraction downside, starting to move up, right? That is what we're having here. I'm gonna anchor these lines here. Make sure they stay where they're supposed to. quick run through. On here, no, we jumped off to Ethereum. All right, so bearish divergence, right, going on to here. We did drop on that. Trying to rally, bearish divergence now developing. So hit bearish, now strong bearish, getting our movement down. So Ethereum, if it does drop, we're looking for a hit near that 20 moving average. That should be where we would be targeting. Again, this is happening here on the 1 hour. Last thing we had was this hit bullish that helped to get this rally that then, you know, developed everything else. Let's go to the daily. Bearish divergence, moving down, hitting 1,851, and then trying to bounce from there, right? Going up higher and getting some friction here because we have a bearish divergence strong developing. So we had it from here to here in that 20 bouncing and then more developing, right? Again, Bitcoin is not having what Ethereum is having. So what I was saying was that, you know, we could be going for potential for a potential rally if Bitcoin keeps on going higher, right? Let's go, Biddy. Yeah, let's go, Biddy. Ed, what's up, dude? And then, yeah, there's no brand left. I mean, I'm not sure, bro. Maybe. Can't comment on anything like that, I guess. Bearish divergence. Developing here, dropping again. Nothing else bullish. Last thing we had was this bullishness that helped us get this rally. So again, like I'm saying, right? It is just getting some. This is just getting some friction from you know anything higher, right? Yeah. 1 hour we already covered, so. Like, is there even an H&T chart? Wow, really? Why is it not letting me add, I guess? Here we go. Is there like a good H&T chart? KuCoin? Let's see where it's at. All right, so it dropped a bit. Now it's trying to recover. Is this thing even live? It looks like it is. Oh wow, this has taken quite a drop. Last time I was looking at it, I think we were like at the $2 mark. Then I haven't looked at it in like many days. Oh, wow, really crappy to see around $1.51. Again, one of those projects that I believe it has good use. What they're doing with the Helium network, it's just Helium is overfloated, right? It's everywhere. Trying to see where my I'm not even sure if my H&T mining rig is still up. It should be. I hope it is. Yeah, whatever I'm mining is just BS. There's really nothing there. Making what? Like 24 hours? Like 14 cents in 24 hours? Last 7 days, 53 cents. Ooh, I'm gonna be rich mining this thing. 14 days, $1.50. 30 days, $3.29. All right, good. Pays electricity, I guess. That's how much I get for electric bill, by the way. I get like $2.50 of electric bill. That's just some weird stuff there, man. Yeah. Again, what I was saying at the beginning, sorry about not being here for about over 40 days or so. I wanted to take some time off crypto in general and just I just really decompress from crypto, and doing crypto for like since 2019, almost on a daily basis, except for the last 6 months when I was doing it for about at the beginning of the week, only on Mondays. It really was just starting to take a toll on me, right? It was just I was not enjoying it anymore. Like I was sitting here and doing crypto, it just felt more like a chore than actual, something that I wanted to sit here and do. And it was just many things that started to compound on top of that. The problems the channel had gone through, seeing consistently the numbers drop. Look, I was streaming daily. I was getting more people unsubscribing than when I was not doing streams. So I haven't streamed for over a month, and I think the drop rate that we have for the last 28 days is like minus 18 people. But when I was doing streams, we were dropping like 20, 24 people, even more. So, like it was just weird. It's weird to see how the numbers were working. And, that and the fact that I just needed to take some time. So I decided to give crypto up for Lent in general. So that meant no channel. Looking at the charts, I only looked at the charts when someone said that XRP was pumping, because my Twitter feed started to go crazy with XRP pumping. And that's the only time I went on and posted something on Discord. But I really tried to disconnect from everything and not look at anything that was crypto related. I needed to take the time off from the markets and just overall, right? So it was like no actual, like I didn't take many days off when we were doing this regularly on a day-to-day basis. So it's kind of like a zombie, not really taking off. Like what's taking off more is the 3D prints. So I've been doing a lot more of the 3D printing, doing a lot more of painting, and just looking for commission work and things like that for painting related activities. And I'm still considering opening a 3D printing channel, or a 3D painting channel, I guess. I'm not sure, because that's what I'm doing mostly on a daily basis, right? I'm on some job stuff, looking for work and things like that, and that's gonna be interesting. Yeah. So what I was doing, or what I've been doing, is painting a lot. And it's something that relaxes me. I'm not thinking about anything when I'm painting, except just getting the next thing done and getting the next thing done painting. So it's it's been relaxing. It's been a good way to refocus a lot of things. So yeah, that's what I've been doing the most, painting and printing things for clients and things like that. So Max says I switched focus from crypto to gardening. Still hodl everything. Still no Bitcoin wins in Max. Yeah, over the long term, Bitcoin should still be doing pretty good. Burnout. Yeah. It's just like it just started to feel really heavy coming in every night, or every Monday even. And also the point where like I was like not enjoying it so much. Like you said, there were many things going on at the same time. The channel performance not going great, not being able to grow, and things like that. It was just starting to go a big toll, and it's demoralizing to some extent. So I just need to take some time off and really refocus and just things like that. You had your flare on Coinbase. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Haven't even checked to see if I got my flare dropped on whatever exchange I was at the time. Yeah. Y'all took time off. I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. How much is Flare, man? Well, we have to look at XRP and then we're gonna look at Flare. I guess that's the way we're gonna roll with this one. It was really tempting towards the last couple days to come live when Bitcoin was pumping, but it was a commitment that I had to keep, that I needed to be off crypto for 40 days of Lent, as much as I could. I really know looking at the charts, dude. Let's shut up today in your assets. That's awesome. All right, so I think when I came live, was somewhere around here. XRP was pumping quite a bit. I didn't come live. I just posted on the Discord. 25%, and then here getting some continuous growth, man. Again, 54 right now, around 50. Maybe it had something to do with the flare hype, before it dropped. Who knows, right? Who knows? Nothing bearish here. Going up higher, more positive momentum higher. Still, even here on the short term, still looking good. Right, hidden bullish to this point, right? Low, higher low. Again, if we look at this in the macro and pulls up and then we're flagging. So hitting the 20 final support, should be aiming for 54.81 again. 4 hour again, coming back down, lower still. Zoom in here. Let's see this. Sideways. Higher and higher, so nothing bearish here. 1 hour chart. Yeah, not really seeing a lot here that would get me worried about XRP. Some bullish divergence here. Potential fraction of the upside, if anything. So 32, 34. Slightly lower here on the RSI. So nothing here, man. Again, if anything, we have the bullish divergence. Should be looking for that moving up, right? Flare's 0.03. Flare FLR. Maybe I'm wrong. Can't type. Finger's not working. All right. It's on a couple exchanges. I floated $1 in Bitstamp. Let's see. All right, so 3 cents. All right, so apparently this thing has been trading for a while. It's just not doing bad, I guess. I haven't even looked at the freaking weird things. Oh wow, let's see how much this is worth. 0.08. Alright. Yeah, right. So those weird APEPES things have gone to crud, I guess. Really not a lot of them are trading or doing anything. I just opened up here this on the side. 0.08, 5% are listed, so that means there's really non-listed, and that's what happens with an asset when it's not traded. Any asset that doesn't get traded, it's gonna drop in value because no one's exchanging it. That's what has happened to a lot of these NFT projects, right? No one trades them because everyone wants to hodl them because everyone wants to get rich of the NFT, and then they just lose value because if you don't buy it and sell it, it cannot go higher in value. So whoever has it just wants to sell it at whatever price they can get out because then the asset becomes illiquid. So you have to sell it at a discount. Full life of Flare looking like an inverse head and shoulders. Let's go here in the daily. Yeah. Looking like an inverse head and shoulders, right? Shoulder, head, new shoulder forming. Yeah, we could say it's starting to look like an inverse head and shoulders, right? Of sorts. Can anyone see your chat? Yeah, I can see your chat. Was the airdrop from the snapshot? Yeah, I think he said it was from the snapshot. Can I check out CoinStock? What is CoinStock? What's CoinStock, dude? Like, is it a token or? Give me a ticker. Or saying hi. Ping hand, and then a cat. Coin. All right. Coinbase like $67.84. Bullish divergence here, right? Seeing it play to the upside. Coming in from a low to a lower point. Again, stocks don't really want to go less than a day if you're swing trading. All right, and then do we have anything here? Bearish divergence strong here. Against the MACD, against the RSI, action downside. Dropping on that, right? Dropping on that. Do we have anything bullish afterwards? What is up, War, dude? You guys usually seem more exciting. To some friends in the chat. Yeah, I'm tired, man. Like I was saying, it's been rough. Having a weird time overall. It's just been I'm not sure, man. Been burned out, I guess. I said hi to you earlier. Yeah, I'm not sure, dude. Yeah, my energy is not really up there right now. But I did want to come live today, though. I did want to come live. Oh, you missed it? No, I did say hi to you earlier, man. So what's up, Wart? When you said hi earlier, when you came in, you said hi, fam. And then you said how the restaurant's going, and I did say it wasn't. Yeah, it was kind of like on pause, sorta. Not going that great. It's just growth is super slow. With people getting back to normal, or everyone getting back to normal. Not a lot of people ordering delivery, so people would rather go out and eat, right? So yeah, dark kitchen, it's not working. It's not working at the best, I guess. But yeah, I did say hi. Well, let's see the next one, man. That's it. That's it for Coinbase, right? I'm not really seeing a lot. I'm gonna look for patterns real quick, but it just seems to be more or less consolidating, right? You can see the motion. It's pumped a bit, dropped a bit, dropped a bit, pump a bit, and sideways. So consolidating it, man. Consolidating. I'm gonna check out Nexa. How I consider Skip Suffer? Dude, he sent me to read a lot of his website. So I tried to talk to him, see if we could have, like, a one-on-one chat. I really didn't get a chance to, he said, like, send me messages. I do better with messages. Yeah, and then I gave up crypto for Lent, so I really haven't followed up with anything crypto-related in the last 40 days. I gotta get back to him and see what's gonna go on with that, because, not even sure how that's gonna work monetarily, I guess. I have to figure that part out with him. Good to see you whenever you're around. Hopefully, with the dollar, yeah, the peso will pump for you. The peso has been pumping against the dollar, so that's not an issue. We talked about that one a while back. Look, peso to the dollar, right? It's just been rattling forever, ever since back here on April 2020. It's just been performing better. So peso has been getting territory against the dollar. Right, this is the inverse. So you can see the dollar, 18 pesos buy you a dollar, when back in April you needed 25 pesos to buy a dollar. So yeah, it's been getting consistently. All right, cool. And then we have to look at what was the other coin that got requested? Nexa. Let's do Nexa so we can get it out of the way. Nexa, was that a stock or a coin? There's a crypto Nexa and then there's a stock Nexa. Please let me know. Dollar crashing like Joe's. Yeah. Coin exchange. All right. It's a coin. All right. Next up to Tether. All right. Next. And here we go. Next. Here we go. All right, so this doesn't have the longest lifespan, so not a lot we can do here. At least we have the 20 moving average there, and we're above it. But like I said, nothing we can chart on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour. 4-hour, again, not too exciting. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, right? Hidden bullish? I mean, that's about it here in the 4-hour for this. Right, should be looking for that action to upside, going for that 20. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, bro. Does this have anything? It's just such a young project. Again, not really a lot of data for swing trading, right? Lower negative momentum here, 0, 0, 22, 23, slightly more negative momentum. Lower end the RSI doesn't have anything here that is bullish. Except for the hidden bullish in the 4-hour, and we don't have a lot as far as patterns, I think, from what I was looking at, right? So if anything, impulse up, consolidation, impulse up, consolidation, right? So we're consolidating. That's it. Gotta wait for something else to develop. And that it's not even looking like a super clean consolidation by any means, right? Here on the daily might look a little bit better. Right, but this is what I'm looking at. Impulse up. And then consolidation starting to come in here. Something like this, right? At least for now, that's what it's looking like. And the whole first part of the stream had no sound, which, my bad. For some reason, the mic was muted here on the OBS. Weird. That is very, very weird. Yeah, no worries, buddy. No worries, man. So what's up with you guys? Let me know. What's you been up to for the last 40 days? I haven't been here. So let me know. What's your Lent? What do you guys do for Lent? I mean, I'm not even sure. Assuming you guys might be Catholic or Christian or, you know, other religions, agnostics, atheists, whatever, man. What do you guys do for the last 40 days? What's happening with your lives, bros? Y'all go see Mario, by the way. Mario Broskis. I went to see that with the kids the other day. It was pretty good. Yeah, I can't lie. It's a good movie, man. I had fun. I can't remember when the last time it was that I went to the movie theaters and like laughed during a movie. Mario was funny. He had his funny parts. Well, before that, I went to see John Wick. It was pretty good, but it's an action flick. Not a lot of things you can laugh at. But that one, it was fine. Is the stream behind? Is the stream lagging? I think at least here on, whatever I have here on my side screen, I know part of the stream is super lag. Like 12 minutes behind. Behind now, this point in time. Elon says he's just selling cover calls and some stocks. Nothing fun. All right. And then War says, I haven't fasted lately, but I can't think of some reasons you should. All right. Huh. Doubt it, man. He's like a freaking machine. Oh, look. Facts. Living the life. He has a license. Has been growing his Miss Watson and building in addition to his parents' cabin. Oh, that's pretty good, man. I don't have a license. I can't grow anything like that. I've been painting, quoting, and selling 3D printed stuff. And then going through a whole bunch of job interviews to try to get something else. I can get more funding for more projects. Trade printing business is fun. I'm getting like repeated customers now, which is good. Some of them on a weekly basis, which means fun. Then wars is kids, school, gyms, set up signals, coach martial arts, prep, trade, repeat. All right. Nice. You've been setting up signals for yourself? That's awesome, dude. Or you've been setting up signals that you've been getting. I'm not sure which one you mean, but if you're doing your own signals, that's awesome, bro. You are selling signals and premium signals. Where are you selling your signals? It's cool. Slow for startup where you're getting there. That's awesome. You're buying as much. Alright. It's good, man. Can you check out Skew? Yeah, sure, why not? Let's go check out Skew, man. Which one? NASDAQ or London Stock? Or the Mexican one? Let me know. NASDAQ, alright. Pro shares, ultra pro short. All right. Bullish divergence. Bullish divergence. Right, action to the upside. Have it against the MACD. Have it against the RSI. Starting to get that nice action coming up to the 20 moving average. That's what I would have called. Once we get above the 20, you got to see if we can get higher than this previous high. But, you know, take it a day at a time. Nothing bearish for now. Looks pretty good. And now, I'm not sure. Did you guys, I did say something earlier regarding, shit, what was it? I just slipped my mind. I was going to say something and then I completely forgot about it. Wow, weird. Anyways, going bullish, action to the upside, right? That's what we have here. There's really nothing bearish overhead. 4-hour chart. Alrighty. Bullish divergence here as well against the MACD, right? Could be aiming for some of that nice action to the upside. There you go. Right, action to the upside. That's what I could tell you for skew, man. Now, I haven't seen the XY. Number one. We're still dropping here. It is weekly, right? Daily. All right, look, we had the bearish divergence. Dropping down on that. That is fine. Some bullish divergence that's looking like it wants to start developing here. Right, got our action to the upside, breaking back down again. If we do go lower, that's just going to track on to that new spot, right? But for now, that's it. Neutral. Sorry, sold at 38.44. Let's go to that weekly. Bearish, moving down on that again. Lower low, right? Starting to get some of that bullishness, that bullish vibes. Damn bullish vibes, bros. That's what we're getting at. All right, so bullish divergence, potential correction upside on maybe a twine. Again, should be looking for some market dollar to gain strength, I guess. We do have this larger bearish coming in, right? So, why your backpack pew-pews have been the memes lately? Please let me know. I am intrigued. I am intrigued. Yeah. All right. What else? I'm live for about an hour or so. Again, no volume the first half of the stream, or first 20 or so minutes. Oh man. Anyways, that's gonna be it for tonight. I'll be here. I'll be here soon. I don't want to give an exact date because I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to make it or not. I'm gonna try to come back on Mondays. More often if possible. I want to take it slow. I want to take it slow because you know, like I said, after like, you know, it's stopped being fun for a while. You know, particularly when I was seeing the numbers drop and things like that. So, yeah. So I'm back, which is good, but just gotta figure out some things, right? Fact says he expects the Royal Doodoo to hit the fan soon. And he says making several bug out bags for the fan. All right. I'm not sure if War's saying same to burnout or same to making bug out bags. But yeah, them make bags for the bugs. The bugs need them. You know it's a bug's life. Yeah, it got heavy, man. It got heavy for a while. Had to choose sanity, and I had to give something up for Lent. So I try to do 2 birds, 1 stone, and I needed to take a break from crypto. Same to on the fan. All right, but I am back. Should be back more often, and slowly building back up to more oftenness and more oftenness. And oh yeah, I remember what I was gonna say. I'm not sure if the mic was off when I was talking about it, but Mexico didn't change times with the daylight saving times. So for me, it used to be 11 p.m. right now, but it's now 10 p.m. All right, so I used to be in Central Time. Now I am on Mountain Time. So you know, whatever Mountain Time is right now, that's where I'm at. So if you're on the East Coast, I'm 2 hours behind, not 1. And if you're in the Pacific, I am 1 hour ahead, not 2. And I think that's the time the stream's gonna be at least for the midterm or so, until we get back to the old schedule. Whenever, you know, you have your daylight savings for October or so. But for now, it's gonna be this, right? It's gonna be you know, stream at this time when I come live. Going to some job interviews out of town. So if some of those do come through, I'm probably gonna have to move, and not sure about some things there. I have to move the family, but you know, I have to go and test it out first. So I'm gonna probably have to go, and I'll be streaming out of the laptop, which is good. Since I'm not gonna have anyone to talk to, I might be coming in more often. Who knows, right? We'll see. Fact is, I have a property that will hopefully safe at, but if the city pours too heavily into my woods, I'd rather find a new quieter place. Alright, dude, haven't you seen those bunkers that get built underground? You should get one of those made. I think there was even like a show about those like underground bunkers. You buy containers, you can buy a couple containers, dig a big hole, put them in, buy some air filtration system. And then I think under the containers, they put a lot of drums that they stuck with water and purified tabs and things like that. And then a lot of, like, you know, MREs or MERs, what is it? Military rations, emergency rations, whatever. Yeah, whatever those are. Yeah. Let me know in the Discord why you think this stuff will hit the proverbial fan and things will spread out. I want to know. I haven't been even looking at the news. I don't want to have anything to do with the market in general, not just crypto. Markets in general. I haven't been looking at anything that is trading or market related. Like, I only opened the chart when someone said XRP was pumping, just so I could post something on Discord. That's it. But that's it. That's it for now. All right, that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Again, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, the sub. Join us on the Discord. I'm not sure if links were out. They should have gone out, hopefully. If not, they'll be out next time. And thank you very much for joining me. Remember, I'll try to be here as more often. Can't give an exact date, but I'll try to be here whenever I can. That's gonna be it for tonight. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you again on the next one for another edition of So Crypto. What? Economic collapse, breakdown of silver. I expect more of a Red Dawn situation rather than a total arts. I'm not sure I've seen Red Dawn. If Bitcoin as well, I'm going somewhere crypto friendly. Yeah, go to El Salvador. You probably fight the Maras there while you buy your freedom. Thanks guys for being here. I'll catch you again in the next one. Yeah. Until then.